Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm taking over cooking. Wish me luck here. But I'm gonna make, it's called smash burgers. You've seen Tracy make the mock Big Mac buns. We're gonna make burgers go along with it, but it's a little different. So we'll take you along with that, and here we go. Okay, in here we have 1 pound of our hamburger and 1 pound of pork, so we can stretch it, go a little bit further. So what we're gonna add is keg seasoning, because, well, it needs flavor. Can you do the salt and the pepper?
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, didn't think as I was starting this.
Sorry.
And then Tracy's gonna do the salt and the pepper, a little bit of Worcestershire or whatever sauce. Tracy makes fun of me because I don't say that. So we're gonna mix this up.
Go, Kiba.
Once it's good and mixed, you're gonna take it and make it into a circle. I don't even know if you guys can see that.
Yep.
About the size of a golf ball, maybe a little bit more. And you're just gonna divide up all your meat to that, and then just keep going until it's all done. So I will finish this, and then I'll bring you back for step 2 in a minute. Okay, so next step is sauce. There's a special sauce to go along with this. You want to take a half a cup of mayonnaise. Let's get all this out. And this sauce is really good. We've had it. Put that in the sink. And then you want a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Very little bit of mustard. Now any mustard will work. Spicy mustard, Dijon mustard. Just anything will work. So put that in there. You want a little bit of hot sauce for a kick. And then a little bit of onion flakes. Now if you dehydrate your own, I'd suggest using that. That's what we got right now. And then let's mix it up. See if you, I guess it'd help if I stay where you guys can see it. Mix it up. So it looks sort of like, I guess you guys can, it looks sort of like that. So there's the sauce. So you want this to sit in the fridge for a little bit. So make it ahead, 20 minutes, half an hour, whatever. It works. So we're gonna put this in the fridge. So it looks like that. Put it in the fridge, let it get cold, and then we'll go and we'll make the burgers because they're already rolled. Give me 2 minutes, well 2 seconds to you, 2 minutes for me, and we'll get to making those burgers. Okay, so now we're here at cooking. So the balls that we made before, what you want to do is you want to take them and just give them a squish so that they get formed into an actual burger. So we'll cook some. See, just form it into a burger and just lay it back out. There's no size recommended, just whatever size you want. Thick, thin, whatever you want. Last time we went very thin, so we're going to try it a little bit thicker this time. We're going to sizzle up. So I can add some more. Yeah, we'll do that. Check on them. Oh, not yet. This is the worst time because we start to smell them and start to get more hungry. So I'll cook these up. I'll show you guys them at the end. Don't want you guys to have to sit there while they cook because they're a little bit thicker. So I'll bring you back when they're done and I'll show you that, and we'll show you the building process of how they go. So back in just a second. Alright guys, here we go. Buns here. Tracy nicely toasted them up. The middle piece that's cut in half. The Big Mac. I'm pretty sure you can see in here Boo Boo in the corner. Here's what the sauce looks like after it's been in the fridge. It looks a lot better than what it did, and it is just as good. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to add some sauce to the top bun, the bottom bun, then you go your cheese on both buns again. Then you go lettuce. Now if you want more lettuce you can put it on the bottom as well. Then you're going to take a burger. We really like this, so we'll add some more. Top bun. Add another burger. Like I said, we really like this. There. And then that is the end result. Right there. That is why Tracy made the burger buns. Let's see if you can see this. So there we go. There it is. Here, I'll even cut it in half so you guys can see. This will be mine. That's what it'll look like when it's all done. Sauce on the bottom, sauce on the top, sauce in the middle. So there's the burger that we came up with. If you guys like that and want to see more, I think we have next week we have another different one coming out with me making it. But that's the burger. If you guys like it, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. hit the bell so you guys know when we do, because we have a lot of videos coming out in the next couple months. But until then, guys, we will see you guys later.